Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something really cool. This is a new tool that Hercules came out with and it just hit the shelf a couple days ago. This is the Hercules 20 volt cordless compact bandsaw. This was announced 2 years ago. I've been waiting since and it finally came out. So we're going to unbox it, we're going to go through it. We'll go to the Harbor Freight website and I'm going to show you another bandsaw I got as well. All right, stay tuned. Okay, here it is here. Of course, when I went up to my store this morning, they didn't have on the shelf. It just came in, so I had to go back and get that. 20 volt, of course, brushless, 2.5 inch cutting width on that. One thing nice I saw about this that the other one didn't have, this is a variable speed trigger, which the other cordless bigger one does not have. Of course, you know, like I said, the 2.5 inch cut capacity, bright light. All right, let's open it up. Yeah, there's really no release date they kind of give you on when these new comes out. They kind of put a shadow of it. If you, the app doesn't have it, but if you go on the website and you click on like Hercules, like Shop by Hercules, you scroll all the way down the bottom, you'll see all those tools that are shadowed, and Bauer as well. And this has been a shadow for a couple of years. Oh, it is. It's pretty light. Nothing else in the box. My store had four in the back. And nothing in these at all. Instructions. Yeah, that is pretty compact. All right, let's jump over to the Harbor Freight website real quick, and we'll talk about that. And we are on the Harbor Freight website, and to show you the different type of these portable bandsaws they carry. We're going to talk about specifically this one, of course. But when this one first came out, this obviously the bigger one flew off the shelves. People did not wait for the coupon; it instantly ran out. And since I had a corded, which I'll show you, the idea was that I was going to get this bigger one, a quarter, then get this compact one when it came out in a cordless. Let's go over to that bandsaw. Of course, 5-year warranty. All Harbor Freight power tools have that 5-year warranty on them. So like 2.5 by 2.5 inch cutting that it does. And I'll show you the weight on this. So this is 7.2 pounds. Now the bigger Hercules, the cordless one, is about 13 pounds. So it's almost twice the weight. And they do carry the blades for them. This is the blades that one takes, 32 7/8. So these are the blades if you want, pick one up. Extra one to have on hand. Now if we go back to here, I'm going to show you what it's comparing to. Now we could talk a lot about, you know, different compact bandsaws. You know, Dewalt makes one, Milwaukee makes one, Velver, but we're just going to talk about which Harbor Freight's mentioned here, which is, this is probably the closest one, this Makita we're going to talk about. So I'm going to jump over to the Home Depot website. I'm going to show you that one here. And yeah, it almost looks just like it. Now Makita was a huge name. I graduated in high school in 1986. I started getting to buying my tools. Makita was huge. Dewalt was fairly new in the market. It didn't have the catch it did. It was just catching on, but Makita was a big brand. Of course, Milwaukee, both those are really, really good brands. And it's still a pretty good brand. I do not have anything in Makita right now. And if you look at this one here, so this one here, that cutting is 2 5/8 by 2 5/8, so 1/8 of an inch bigger. All right, let's get back to the tool. One thing I forgot to get. No blade sold separately. So we can power it up and show you, but I'll have to make another review on actually cutting something. I'm going to show you what I have over here. Now I bought this first. This is a Valvor corded, which I bought because I knew that compact was coming out. For me, I always buy a corded tool, then I with a cordless. That's why I do it. I have pairs of them all. And this is pretty good. I'd say this Valvor is probably equal to maybe a Hercules. It's a pretty good saw. I like it. So the batteries I have a 5-hour amp and a 12. But won't be able to cut them, but at least you can hear it. And it looks like the blade's pretty easy to change or put on. Looks, these two clips come up, and there we do. And you just wrap your blade around here. Right, that's, I got the 5 amp hour in. And you see that is a variable speed. And there is that light on it as well. Yeah, I wish I would looked at the box. It wasn't even, because my Harbor Freight's a long drive. So this for everybody else, it says tool only, blade, battery, of course the battery and charger are always sold separately. Blade. Normally, the Hercules do come with a blade, so I'm a bit surprised that there wasn't a blade in the box at all. And here is a belt clip if you want to hang that if you're on a ladder. All right, guys, be looking for another review next time you get to Wilmer to get blade for this. All right, guys, have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.